So this is a brand new 2DS that was sealed in its box. This is the perils of selling on eBay. So I sold this brand new, sealed, and then got a return request because none of the buttons work. So I opened it up, checked the circuit board, nothing was wrong with the board, checked the serial numbers, they all matched. And then I was going to resell it as spares, but I reset my 3DS the other day and discovered this, and I do not understand why Nintendo have done this. Everyone probably realises what the issue is, but I'm just going to drag this out. And just click through all this. It really makes no sense. I really don't understand why they do this. And later. Later. So we're almost finished now. So we press the home button and it reboots. Now we've fully set it up. All the buttons now work. So that's all it is. So I took the return, no questions asked, fully refunded them, and even I didn't know this, that there was absolutely nothing wrong with it. It's just for some weird reason Nintendo decide to disable all the buttons until you fully set it up. So that's it really, just in case anyone else has the issue.